What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, I'm telling you, man, the ETH whales, ETH is the place to be to make money, man. You know how many projects launched on ETH that have already done 100x's, guys? I'm just terrible at getting into them early, and gas fees be taking so much of my bread, man. Like, so gas fees are so annoying, guys. Like, so you know, it sucks, man. Gas fees just suck, man. But if gas fees weren't a thing, like, I would just be like covering so much more ETH stuff. There's new projects that are launching on ETH consistently, but I'm just letting you guys know, saying this to let you know that ETH is where the money is at, and that's why Pepe will be big, like huge, man. It's already went to $1 billion. It's gonna go way further than that. I think another 100x for Pepe is in the cards. Okay, I'm super serious about that. So even $1,000 into Pepe will go far, man. I really think Pepe is gonna do another 100x from here going into the peak bull market, right? So $1,000 to $100,000 is on the cards for Pepe. And why I say this is because the ETH whales love Pepe. The ethers, the people on ETH with a ton of money, because they got people on ETH with a ton of money, okay? The ethers love Pepe. I'm going to break down something that recently happened for Pepe, man. Pepe right now is sitting at $506 million in market cap. Volume is at $100 million in value. Man, Coinbase is gonna list Pepe, man. They just got to. Like, they'd be stupid to miss out on all this volume, especially when it's the bull run. Oh my gosh, when it's the bull run, oh my goodness, Coinbase, Robin Hood, all of them, they gonna be like, oh, we gotta list Pepe, we gotta list Pepe right now. I'm telling you guys, man, they're going to list Pepe, man. But yeah, I see another 100x for Pepe on the cards. $50 billion to $100 billion in market cap for the top of the bull cycle. Right now, when Pepe went on its gigantic run, it wasn't any new money in the space, guys. It was just the same money that has been in the space changing hands, and a lot of them just literally just left their previous projects to ape in the Pepe. That's what happened with Pepe, right? And imagine how it performed in the bear market. I know a lot of don't mind my accent. A lot of people say I like, you know, why do you pronounce beer like that? So yeah, how Pepe performed in the bear market. I could only imagine what will happen in the bull market. I could only imagine what's gonna take place when the bull market is back, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be insane. This is a meme coin you have to have. Like, you have to add it to your portfolio. I don't care if you're just focused on utility projects, man. Obviously, none of what I say is financial advice, but you gotta add this to your portfolio, man. Even $500 into this, I think, is gonna go so far. Now, will you become a millionaire off the $500 to $1,000 investment? No, but you could make potentially 6 figures. Potentially. Because I know how retail investors think, and that's why Shiba went to 50 to 60 billion market cap at its all-time high. Because retail investors love meme coins. They could care less about utility. They see price go up, they FOMO in. And when it comes to meme coins, guess what? Price go up even faster. They want that fast money. So they're gonna be FOMOing into Pepe when the bull market is back. It's already listed on a ton of tier 1 exchanges. Just a couple more to go, and then all of a sudden, boom, huge FOMO. Wait until the bull market is back, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna be like, dang, I should have listened and bought even a little bit of Pepe. I could have made this amount from buying this amount. I'm telling you, in the bull market, y'all gonna see, man, Pepe is gonna just explode more than it has already, man. Now, obviously, there could have been much better entries, like 100 million, 50 million market cap for Pepe, but hey, 500 mil market cap entry, it does a 10x from here. That Shiba's all-time 100x from here. 100x from here, right? Yeah, let me make sure. 500 million times 100x, 50 billion, right? Yeah, 50 billion. So yeah, that's Shiba's all-time high. That's 100x from here at 500 million, you know. It's a very nice entry, man. I'm telling you, that is a very nice entry. So $1,000 into Pepe from here, even $500, you get 100x. Very nice gains, man. Very nice gains. And I'm not gonna rule that out, guys. I'm really not gonna rule that out. Remember, Pepe is like the #3 meme coin. Never seen a bull market. Ton of price discovery because it doesn't have any bag holders like Dogecoin and Shiba does. Doge started to pump recently to 8 cents. It's already coming back down because people underwater are selling. It's not the same thing here with Pepe, right? And this is what I was talking about, guys. The ethers, the people on ETH, got a ton of money to FOMO into Pepe. Jason Klein, looks like you get nothing.eth ENS has now has $1.18 million in Pepe. So a literal $1 million buy in Pepe from Polly. I think a lot of the Pepe community know who Polly is. Literally just bought $1 million of Pepe. And they got so many more ethers that are gonna FOMO into Pepe whenever it starts pumping again. I'm telling you, whenever Pepe starts pumping again, you're gonna see buys like this constantly, pushing it straight up to 50 bill in market cap with retail FOMO as well, man. I'm telling you. Just bought over $1.1 million worth of Pepe. Get ready for our army from Paulie. Crazy stuff, man. He about to be he about to make 100 million, if not $1 billion from that. $1 million. Let's see, times 100x. How much is that? 100 million. Maybe, you know, maybe Pepe goes even higher than that, man. Crazy. But yeah, you get nothing.eth. Polly just bought $1.2 million worth of Pepe, man. $1.2 million buys coming in, man. Pepe is bigger than crypto, no competition, right? $1.2 million buys from Pepe. My apologies, guys. They got cars passing. My apologies for that. But that is absolutely crazy to think about, guys. I'm telling you, that is absolutely crazy stuff to think about, you know. And this is just the start, man. This is just the start. There's so many other wallets on ETH with millions of dollars that are just gonna capitulate into Pepe when it starts to go bonkers again. I'm telling you, man. Got a visual representation of you get nothing. Oh wow, okay. Connected to so many different things. Crazy. Crazy. But yeah, man, this is just a start. Like I said, I think Pepe is gonna be 100x meme coin from here. The writing is on the wall. If you can't see it, that's on you. I got a diversified portfolio. I'm not gonna miss out on meme coin gains, okay? I'm not. I missed them last time. I'm not gonna miss them again. I should have ate Pepe when I first saw it. I think I first saw it at like 10-20 mil market cap, man. You know, but that's on me. But either way, man, Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, share it all over Twitter, share it with the rest of the Pepe community. Pepe is absolutely gonna crush it, man, and I know you guys are gonna crush it as well with the gains y'all gonna get from Pepe. So again, thank y'all so much for the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.